Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 2 times t plus 8 equals 8 times t plus 20. Solving means isolating t on one side with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. To keep the equation balanced, we make the same change to both sides. The right side has 8 times t. To collect the t terms on one side, subtract 8 times t from both sides. That gives negative 6 times t plus 8 equals 20. The plus 8 keeps 6 times t from standing alone. Subtract 8 from both sides to remove it. That gives negative 6 times t equals 12. Negative 6 is multiplying t. To leave t alone, divide both sides by negative 6. Quick check. Substitute negative 2 for t. Both sides equal 4, so the equation balances. So, t equals negative 2.